Hey there everyone, Tyler Pyburn here with CMS-Connected at the 404 conference in Las Vegas. I am joined with, from Kentico, Karol Jarkovsky. How are you doing today, Karol?
I'm good.
How's Vegas treated you so far?
Pretty good. I'm having a lot of fun, hopefully, like everybody else. Yeah.
No question, when you're in Vegas, everybody has a good time. So what I want to do is I want to talk about one of the big announcements that you guys had here, talking about the cloud. Now we've heard cloud all the time, but what's going on with Kentico Cloud?
Yeah, so as you said, the Kentico Cloud is our brand new product offering. We just launched a couple days ago. It's essentially a cloud-based software as a service product offering that currently consists of 3 products. We have Kentico Draft, Kentico Deliver, and Kentico Engage. So the Kentico Draft is a tool that helps managing content production process. Kentico Deliver is essentially our API-first CMS that offers content management features and super fast delivery API. So you can actually use it to bring the content from CMS to many channels like web, mobile, native mobile apps, IoTs, pretty much every other channel that you can think of. And the Kentico Engage is our customer engagement platform that allows to track the customer behavior on the website and then provides personalization services.
All right, let's talk about the advantages of the cloud. That's what I'm curious to know about.
Yeah. So Kentico Cloud, the one thing that I wanted to mention is that Kentico Cloud was built as a native cloud solution. So that means that it's benefiting from all the cloud, all the benefits that cloud comes with, and also provides all the benefits that comes with API first CMS. What you're going to see with many vendors, other vendors, that they offer also a cloud CMS, and they will also have API first or headless CMS story. But the difference is that they take the existing product, they deploy it to the cloud, build a managed hosting service around it, and that's what they offer as a cloud CMS or API first headless CMS. That's not what we did. As I said, we built Kentico Cloud from ground up. We built it on top of the modern microservices architecture. It's multi-tenant and therefore enables customers to take advantage of all the benefits that comes with the cloud. So now you ask about specific benefits. So I'm going to give you, I like to look at it from 2 perspectives. The first is all the benefits that comes with the cloud CMS. That means that when customers decide to adopt Kentico Cloud, they essentially transfer ownership and responsibility related to setting up CMS and then managing the hosting environment to Kentico. So we take care of stuff like hosting infrastructure, CMS setup, upgrades, hotfixes, security, and stuff like that. So that's advantages that comes from the fact that it's cloud CMS, true cloud CMS. Now, benefits that comes from the fact that it's API first or headless CMS. The 2 that are, in my opinion, the most important. API first CMS allows organizations to achieve the higher degree of agility. So what we see with many organizations today is that they need to create new content projects around specific purpose like campaign sites or brochure sites or what have you. They need to create it frequently and deploy it fast, right? And that's exactly what the API first CMS allows you to do, because once developers have the static prototype ready and they want to deploy it, unlike with traditional CMS, they don't need to transfer the static elements to CMS, which is obviously requires extra time and extra effort. Instead, they just take that prototype they have and they replace a small fraction of the static code with calls to API that brings the content, dynamic content, to the website, and then can go live immediately, right? So it's exactly what they need. It allows them to shorten their time to delivery or time to the market. So that's one important advantage. The other advantage is related to the fact that Kentico Cloud, as API for CMS, is completely technology agnostic. and allows developers to use any technology they want, and allows them to use any kind of development strategy they want to use. So they can use Kentico Cloud to build single-page applications. They can use Cloud to build .NET applications, PHP applications, or the websites that require one of those modern JavaScript frameworks like Angular, React, and so on.
Gotcha. So it sounds to me that like Kentico will be following a dual rail strategy in a sense, in its premise-based CMS solution, running the .NET platform, a new API CMS solution, kind of running the cloud in a sense, right?
Yeah.
Explain that to me a little bit more.
So that's correct. Yeah, we're gonna keep doing what we've been doing up to this point. So providing Kentico EMS, which is our solution that is typically hosted on premises or in a cloud, but managed by our customers, because we see that there is always be a good use case for Kentico EMS, especially for those more complex company-wide initiatives that can benefit from broad feature set that EMS comes with. So that includes content management, e-commerce, as well as advanced online marketing capabilities, community, social, intranet, right? In fact, one of the other announcements that we did here in Vegas was announcing a new version of Kentico EMS, Kentico 10. It's going to be released at the end of the month. And at the same time, we're already working on strategy for the next version, Kentico 11, and it's going to be published around the same time next year. So that's Kentico EMS. And then we see a Kentico Cloud to be a great fit, as I mentioned earlier, for those projects, content projects that can benefit from the fact that it's API first CMS, that is in the cloud. So those projects that have that strong design element to them. And so that's how we're going to approach it, and we are very excited to be able to cater to all the customers.
I was going to say, I can imagine the excitement, I'm sure, for sure. So for the folks out there that want to learn more, where can they do it?
I guess the easiest is to go to kenticocloud.com and find out for yourself.
Cool. Karol, thank you very
Thank
much.
you
I
very
really
much.
appreciate it. All right, there you have it, folks. Kentico Cloud. Right here at the 404 conference, I'm Tyler Pyburn for CMS Connected.